Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the triple treble crochet stitch. It's one of the basic crochet stitches and also one of the tall crochet stitches. It starts with 6 chains, and this is how you start any row or round with the triple treble crochet stitch. So you have 6 chains as a turning chain, and then yarn over 4 times, and then insert a crochet hook into the stitch indicated and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and go through 2, 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 and yarn over and go through 2. So you've finished your first triple treble crochet, and you can see it's quite tall. And we'll do another one, yarn over 4 times, then insert the crochet hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2, 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 and yarn over and go through 2. And now you've finished 2 triple treble crochet stitches, and we'll do another one just to repeat. Yarn over 4 times, insert a crochet hook into the next stitch, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and then another time, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And now you've finished 3 triple treble crochet stitches. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial, and have a nice day.